Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Vanguard Cash Plus account and if it pays interest on your balance. The short answer is yes, it does pay interest. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account designed to provide a competitive yield on your short-term savings. It's an alternative to a traditional savings account, allowing you to keep your cash and investments in one place. The interest you earn comes from a bank sweep program. This means your cash balance is automatically swept into accounts at one or more program banks, which are FDIC insured. The interest rate is a variable annual percentage yield, or APY, which can change at any time. Because the account is a cash management account, it has some features similar to a checking account, such as direct deposit and the ability to pay bills, but it's important to know that it is not a traditional bank account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.